If you're looking for an e-bike that blends raw power with modern design, the EOYATWO E01 deserves your attention. This is not your average commuter ride. It's built with a 1000W brushless motor paired with a 48V 15Ah lithium battery, giving you speeds up to 33 miles per hour. That's serious performance for riders who want excitement and practicality in one package. The E01 comes with 26-inch fat tires that can handle city streets, gravel, and even off-road trails without breaking a sweat. Combine that with front suspension and mechanical disc brakes, and you've got control, comfort, and safety packed into one ride. On throttle mode, you'll cover around 25 miles, but with pedal assist, the range extends up to 60 miles, perfect for longer adventures or daily commutes. What makes this e-bike even more attractive is its versatility. Whether you're commuting to work, cruising around the city, or exploring trails on the weekend, the E01 adapts with ease. The 7-speed Shimano gears give you flexibility, while the aluminum alloy frame keeps it durable yet lightweight enough for practical use. In the US, e-bikes are trending not only as eco-friendly alternatives but also as a lifestyle statement. And the EOYATWO E01 fits right into that trend, powerful, stylish, and ready for riders who want to stand out. If you're searching for an e-bike that balances speed, range, and rugged design, the E01 might just be your perfect match.